My name is Allison. I'm an engineering consultant. I do RF engineering work, and I use the SignalHawks for monitoring some remote sites. Today, in a routine, just look at the spectrum of the radio system. I noticed that one of the transmitters of our WiMAX system was not operating. There was no alarms in our network management software that would indicate it, and I actually discovered it through just a routine look at the SignalHawk trace. Knowing that, I reset the equipment and verify that the transmitter did come back up by, again, looking back at the bird analyzer trace and seeing the spectrum come back up on the screen. So it's been invaluable in helping to do that, because if I didn't know what the problem was, and again, my network management software said everything was operating properly, I'd had to dispatch a technician out to the site to troubleshoot, and that would have been about a $1,200 service call. So it's proven itself as a very useful feature to add to our radio sites.